This is the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for Monday, the 17th of October. I'm Michael Groff. Normal high temperature in Phoenix for today, 88 degrees. We'll be right around there today and tomorrow. Temperatures gradually warming as we go through the week. The rain chances will remain at 0, but indications of some changes coming our way as we head toward next week. We'll talk about it as we look outside this morning. Mostly clear skies with the view toward Camelback Mountain. 66 degrees at Sky Harbor right now, dew point at 39, relative humidity 37%. The winds are light and the barometer is steady. Across south central Arizona and around the metro area this morning, temperatures very comfortable start once again, mainly lower 60s to about 70. Satellite picture will again show high clouds passing us by, and we'll see that the next couple of days. On the watch warning map, areas in the bright pink there from eastern New Mexico north into western Nebraska, those are red flag warnings, fire danger concerns in those regions of the country. Wind advisories out here through much of the west, some winter weather advisories in the Rockies, dense fog advisories from eastern Nebraska through western Minnesota. On the convective outlook, a marginal risk of severe weather today, including Minneapolis, St. Paul, Bloomington, Minnesota, Rochester, over toward Aberdeen, South Dakota, and points east. There's a slight risk for a little sliver of Wisconsin over toward Green Bay today. And as for our weather, let's take a look at it as we check out the models. This is the GFS, the 06Z run, valid at 5 p.m. Mountain Standard Time today. There's a trough digging into the west and moving out into the plains. But around here, broad flat ridging continues with dry westerly flow. I know how many times have we said that over the last week and a half or so. And again today, with those passing disturbances to the north, high temperatures will be lowered from what they had been over the last few days. Will be mainly in the upper 80s to lower 90s, some passing high clouds, but otherwise mostly sunny. Tonight, very pleasant, very cool conditions, lows mainly upper 50s to upper 60s. The air mass will remain dry, and then tomorrow, another mostly sunny day, a few high clouds passing us by again, upper 80s to low 90s. On Wednesday, high pressure begins to expand across the western United States. We get a good dome going in here, and highs will slowly climb into the lower 90s. By Thursday, the sky remains sunny, high pressure dominating the western United States, and we will be in the lower to middle 90s. Friday will be in the middle 90s as well. Some of the deserts of southeast California, southwest Arizona will top the upper 90s to around 100 degrees, with the sky remaining mostly sunny. Saturday, high pressure continues over the west, and highs remain in the mid-90s. By Sunday, flow aloft around the high, which will be centered to our east, will become more southerly to southeasterly. We could start to import some moisture into the state. We also have a developing trough off the west coast, and that may also help. But for now, we'll remain dry. High temperatures cooling off a couple of degrees back to the lower, maybe the middle 90s. And the sky remains mostly sunny. This is a week from today, Monday, October the 24th, and a deep trough starting to develop off the west coast. And look at this, moisture heading into Southern California and southwest Arizona, precipitable water values climbing to about an inch or so. And that's definitely a change from where we've been. Still no rain chances around here just yet, though the models are trying to develop some rain over Southern California eventually. For now, the sky remains mostly sunny, maybe some clouds coming in. Temperatures will gradually cool off, though. We'll be in the upper 80s with that approaching trough. This is Tuesday, October the 25th, and again, that low deepens off the northern California coast. Heights gradually fall around here, so high temperatures will lower to the middle to upper 80s. And look, moisture continues to increase. Precipitable water values climbing to around 1.5 inches just south of the border. Well over an inch to 1.25 inches here in south central and southwest Arizona, as well as southeast California. And moisture moving up the Colorado River Valley as well. So maybe some very small rain chances come into the picture. Not enough to mention officially in a forecast, but definitely rain chances around this time may not technically be 0. And this is the end of the forecast period, Wednesday, October the 26th. Deep low off the central California coast, troughing over much of the west. And the ridge is battered down, so temperatures now are down to near normal levels around here. Highs mainly in the lower to middle 80s. And if this is right, we could definitely start to see some rain chances coming in by the middle and latter portions of next week. But again, this is so far out, and there's quite a bit of model spread. The European isn't quite as aggressive with this scenario, but some of the GFS ensemble members are even more aggressive with troughing by next week. So we'll just have to see how it plays out. But for now, the overall idea is cooler weather and maybe some rain chances coming in. Numbers off the GFS. Yes, we're going to be warm this week, gradually getting warmer by Thursday. Friday may very well be the warmest day, or possibly Saturday. High temperatures definitely in the mid-90s at that point, but then gradually cooler as we go into next week. And look at that. If this is right, could see highs down in the 70s by the end of the month. Well, that looks beautiful. And that's a look at the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for today. Our next video comes at you tomorrow morning. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great Monday.